This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 296 RDTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 33 feet 10 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 4, auxiliary battery, DVD player, smoke detector, slideout, microwave, Colorado detector, spare tire kit, stove top burner, water heater, awning, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 296 RDTS is 7,808 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.